In today's video, I'll show you guys how to update the Forza Horizon 6. So here is the update list. We are going to update the game from 354.221 to 360.259. Here is the update. Just right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the update exe. Select more info and select run anyway option. Select yes. Select OK and select next. Select the browse option and navigate to the game folder and select the game folder and select OK. Select next. Game is already exit. Select the yes option. Yes. Select next and install. Once update done, uncheck these two options and select finish. Now you can launch the game without having any problem. To show you guys the update game has updated, right click on the game exe and select properties, go to details. Game has successfully updated 360, as you can see. This is the version we updated right now. As you can see here also the game version updated. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.